दिया, तो वो मोमेंट को कैसे कंट्रोल करें?
Okay, the question is, um, when we face a certain kind of situation where somebody insults us, or some bad situation is there where we feel very offended or something like that, how do we control the situation at that moment? See, first of all, you have to start with some kind of preparation. It's not possible to immediately control the thing, because at that time the things are not in your control. The idea is that you have to you have to control your emotions. You have to start practicing controlling your emotions. For us, it doesn't happen at all. At certain point of time, it used to happen with us when we were not doing meditation. Yet used to happen that whatever kind of situations are there, we are just carried away with that situation. To control the situation, what you have to do is you have to control your heart chakra, and you control your emotions, and it needs a lot of practice. So it's not suddenly you can do it, but yes, with practice and with some background work, you can do that. If you're working on your heart chakra, definitely things don't go that way. So work on your heart chakra and your root chakra. If you're grounded enough, you will not get excited at that moment, right? That is what first thing. Second thing, as I told, this mudra helps you out to stay cool and calm and make sure that your mind doesn't deviate as much as the situation is. So this is the third thing you can do: working on root chakra, working on heart chakra, and the third thing is this: immediately doing it, right? So you can do that, and of course you have to do some rehearsal. If this thing happens to you, how do you behave? It doesn't happen in one day, but it definitely, if you try it out one time, two time, three time, four time, and the day will come when all the kind of negative things will be there around you, but you will stay cool and calm. And that is what is attained in the self-realization stage. Self-realization is the final stage when there is absolutely no change in you. Whatever people do, they cannot bring any kind of negativity in you, but that comes off after a lot of practice, right? So start working on your root and heart chakra. See my other videos. I will not explain that thing right